I always said, like, there's no way I'm going to need an MBA. Like, because in training, like, if you're good at it, you can go as far as the world will take you.
It was the last option.
No. It was really,
Well, that's honest. Okay, so
so I took like 2 weeks to study for the GMATs and signed up for a GMAT, like the only time I could get. And I was in the New York area. Around the New York area, it was like right before the holidays. Was like a 6 a.m. slot. It was like an hour and a half away. So I like got up at 3:30 a.m., drove in there, had breakfast, and like took the GMATs after studying for like a week and a half. Yeah. And I picked 5 schools. I applied to, a couple really good ones, a couple middle tier, and one kind of safety. Mm-hmm. I was on some wait lists with the top, it was 2 top 5 schools. Mm-hmm. I got on one wait list. I was on another wait list for the middle one, and then I got into the other middle one where I ended up going. Mm-hmm. And I didn't choose the schools, willy-nilly or just on name recognition. I chose ones that I knew had good track records in banking recruiting.
Yep.
Especially, with firms in the New York area, which I wanted to be back in New York.
Got it.
So, I was weighing do I want to wait on the top 5 one on the wait list? And these were extremely competitive years for MBA.
Yeah.
If you remember correctly, like if you look at,
everyone's like run. Everyone's unemployed.
Yeah, exactly.
Everyone's like
everyone was running. Yeah, everyone was running for their their 2-year vacation of MBA, with being a little bit flippant about it. But so yeah, I was weighing, like, do I want to wait this one out or should I just go? And if I waited it out and I didn't get in, like, I would have probably retaken the GMATs to try to get a little bit higher score, because I wasn't like completely happy with my score. And I would have done the whole recruiting process, which, I didn't realize then, but I realize now after going to MBA, like, the recruiting process for MBA is just, do we think that it's like mimics a corporate recruiting process, because they want to see if you're going to be good at getting a job eventually, right? After you get to the program.
Yeah.
So it's like, have you done your research? Do you know why you want to come here? Have you talked to alums? Do you know the specific, the differences between the school versus our 3 biggest competitors? Mm-hmm. What value we bring versus what they are better at, stuff like that. And that's really just them screening for people that they think are going to do all the legwork and do a good job, when they're looking for their job after they get to the program.